You've had that idea for how long now? 6 months? A year? Maybe longer, and you still haven't started. Why? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not smart enough. It's because your brain is lying to you. It keeps saying, wait until you're ready. Spoiler, you'll never feel ready. The truth bomb. Every person you look up to, they started before they were ready. They started scared, confused, unprepared. The only difference between them and you? They started anyway. He reframe. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means this actually matters to you. Use it as fuel, not a wall. The first step doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to exist. Close with punch. 59 seconds ago, you were scared. Now you have 0 excuses. Go start. I'll see you on the other side.